Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
This is footage from November 15th as Williamson County deputies take a road rage suspect into custody, and it all stems from an incident that took place a week prior.
The suspect had tattoos on his left arm, and when the suspect was dropping back in traffic, he had rolled down his window, and the driver of the RV happened to look over and see his left arm and see the tattoos.
According to investigators, a man later identified as Justin Trenary, driving his pickup truck, leaves an Arrington gas station at the same time as an RV. The husband and wife driving the RV will tell investigators. The pickup truck will swerve aggressively, cutting the RV off. During the alleged road rage incident, the couple, in their 50s, report hearing at least one gunshot. Thankfully, nobody inside the RV is hit, but the couple will later find bullet holes in the RV, as well as bullet fragments inside the RV's bathroom, and even more fragments in pillows in the RV's bedroom.
And the victim happened to remember quite a few things about the vehicle. We're able to track down a witness in the case that was able to identify the suspect that actually fired the shot into the RV.
Using surveillance footage at the gas station, Williamson County lawmen identified Justin Trenary as the alleged shooter. Officers come to his Arrington address and make this arrest without further incident. Did you say that when you spoke to him, he actually said, yeah, I did it, but it was self-defense? I mean, how did that go down?
And he confessed to firing 2 rounds during the incident. His defense was that he was doing it to protect himself and his other occupant of the vehicle.
Justin Trenary is charged with attempted second-degree murder, aggravated assault, and reckless endangerment. He's now out of jail on a $250,000 bond. Andy Cordan, News 2.
Road rage incident lands an Arrington man in jail, now facing second-degree attempted murder charges. Andy Cordan has been tracking this story and has details you're seeing first on 2. Andy?
Hey there, Mark. You know, Williamson County investigators tell me that this all goes sour when 2 vehicles are leaving an Arrington gas station at the same time, and what begins as road rage soon escalates into shots fired.
If you ever find yourself in a road rage incident, call the police. And if you know where the police station, go to the police station. It may save your life or it may save someone else's life.
This is Williamson County dashcam from November 15th. It shows Justin Trenary driving up to a waiting deputy. Within moments, that deputy takes the 43-year-old shooting suspect into custody. Deputies will find a handgun on Trenary that detectives say matches the evidence from the road rage shooting a week earlier.